Introducing the new Jaguar XE. A sports saloon with dramatic character and engaging dynamism. The exterior updates on the Jaguar XE further emphasize the sporting character of the car, providing a more dynamic appearance. The new premium LED headlights with signature DRL feature Jaguar's J-blade design and animated directional indicators. The distinctive new front bumper includes bold lower intakes, exaggerating the sporting stance of the XE. The coupe-inspired profile creates an assertive and dynamic attitude, with the waistline rising dramatically over the rear haunches. There are 11 wheel variants for the XE, the largest being these diamond-turned 20-inch propeller alloys. And the redesigned rear bumper increases the perceived width, providing a more dynamic feel to the car, further enhanced by the slimmer design of the LED taillights with a chicane graphic. The Jaguar XE stands out in the crowd. The interior of the new Jaguar XE is a combination of elegant lines and uncluttered surfaces. A sporting, driver-focused cabin, ingrained throughout with the finest materials and detailing. At the heart of the cabin, the newly designed center console features Jaguar's intuitive optional Touch Pro Duo system. The sporting character of the interior extends to the new Sports Shifter, a sequential gear shift that adds true engagement to the driving experience. The contoured leather seats hold you firm whilst maintaining exceptionally high standards of Jaguar comfort and craftsmanship. The interior is practical too. Stowage has been increased overall, with a multitude of solutions cleverly placed throughout the vehicle. Ensuring that the interior is a healthier place to be, cabin air ionization improves the air quality inside the vehicle, minimizing viruses, odors, and allergens. And once the sun sets, the interior comes alive with atmospheric configurable ambient lighting. The choice of mood is completely up to you. The Jaguar XE, a modern, refined interior. The Jaguar XE has been designed from the ground up as a driver's car. The chassis is made from lightweight aluminium, reducing mass whilst providing an exceptionally stiff platform. Double wishbone suspension at the front and advanced, fully independent, multi-link suspension at the rear provide poise and confidence, delivering a ride that is unmistakably Jaguar. The adaptive dynamics system constantly responds to the road surface and driver inputs, adjusting the suspension damper settings to provide the perfect balance between comfort and control at all times. The configurable dynamics system allows you to refine the car's characteristics, including throttle mapping, steering, gearbox shift points, and suspension, to perfectly suit your performance driving needs. Jaguar Drive Control puts you in command, with multiple driving modes to suit your driving style and the conditions. Dynamic mode offers a more responsive, sportier drive. Eco mode encourages fuel-efficient driving, whilst rain, ice, snow mode provides greater confidence in slippery conditions. Jaguar's all-wheel drive system is optimized for handling and driving pleasure. Intelligent driveline dynamics ensures that the XE delivers controlled, predictable handling in all conditions, connecting you to the road. The sense of being connected to the road underpins every aspect of the car's handling. You feel at one with the Jaguar XE in all driving situations. Even when grip is at a premium, Jaguar technologies are there for you. Torque vectoring by braking aids cornering by applying the brakes to the inside wheels. Powering the Jaguar XE is a range of engines to suit your performance and efficiency requirements. Advanced, lightweight engines are available in both diesel and petrol variants, providing flexibility and power for even the most performance-orientated of drivers. The Jaguar XE features state-of-the-art connected technology. Smart Settings recognizes you through a combination of your phone and key as you enter the vehicle, automatically configuring the seats, steering wheel, and touchscreen to your preset personal preferences. At the heart of the beautiful interior lies our optional dual-screen Touch Pro Duo system. This sleek, contemporary, and intuitive interface can be controlled either by touch or voice activation, providing effortless access to different vehicle functions. The Jaguar XE has a 4G Wi-Fi hotspot, supporting up to 8 mobile devices, providing the connectivity to help keep everyone entertained. And with the smartphone pack, featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can access compatible apps from your mobile phone via the touchscreen or by voice. The XE's range of audio systems provide dynamic, immersive sound with outstanding clarity and precision. A conveniently placed wireless charging mat ensures you can keep your smartphone topped up cable-free. The ClearSight interior rear-view mirror uses a discreetly placed camera within the roof pod to ensure you have a clear line of sight, even when the rear view is obscured. Once you're on the road, the new full-color head-up display projects a wealth of information onto the windscreen. Remaining clear even in direct sunlight, this technology helps you focus on the road ahead. If your hands are full, Gesture Tailgate recognizes your key and allows you to access the rear load space by simply raising your foot to the sensors located at either side under the rear bumper, allowing access to the XE's generous boot space. The Matrix LED headlights with signature DRL are not just striking to look at. The adaptive driving beam illuminates the road ahead with an impressive range. The system also optimizes high beam use, blocking segments of the beam to avoid dazzling any vehicles ahead, without needing to dip the beam and lose light. Jaguar XE, sophisticated and assertive looks, intelligent technologies and outstanding dynamics.